Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna.
Hey guys, it's Marissa and today I have a really exciting video. So today I'm going to be doing a bronzy glowy makeup tutorial. I thought this would have been the perfect time because it's like spring and summer, but now I guess it's really the perfect time because we're all quarantined to our freaking houses, so we can't get that summer tan yet. So this is kind of how to fake it. So we're gonna fake, you know, that bronzy glowy skin even when our face is looking pale. I hope you guys enjoy this look. It's kind of like an everyday, it's what I do most days. It's more natural, but it really gives you that like sun-kissed glow. Also, if you guys are new here, my name is Marissa. I do 2 new videos every week, so make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the bell next to it so you guys know when I upload. I upload every Monday and Thursday, but that way you really know. Also, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys are following all my social media. So I will have my Instagram and Twitter right here, and then my Snapchat right here, so you guys can go follow me on there. I'm on there the most. So I hope you guys just enjoy the video, and I'm gonna shut up. Okay guys, so I'm starting off. My eyebrows are already done, my face is primed, all that good stuff. So we're just going to get right into foundation. What I've currently been doing is really extra, but I like using a natural matte foundation. One of my favorites, you guys know, is the Benefit, the Hello Happy brightening foundation, but this one, your girl is really white out here today. So I have to mix it with a different foundation. This is currently one of my favorite foundations. I'm just mixing it because of how pale I am, and now this coronavirus is out here, so you know I'm not about to get a tan. So I'm just taking, so just take whatever foundation. And then this has been one of my new favorite products. I love mixing this with my I love mixing this with my foundation. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I actually use this just as my foundation some days if I want like a no foundation look. It really doesn't have any coverage to it, but it's just gonna give that nice like glowy look to it. I love adding some of that into my foundation. So like I said, we're being super extra. We're mixing like 20 things, but my skin is like freaking out, which makes no sense. I haven't worn makeup in days, so I don't understand why my skin is freaking out. Also, who else loves putting on makeup when they haven't for like days and just be like, wow, I forgot I'm that bitch. If you've watched my tutorials before, oh my god, I just got it in my hair. Like, I'm mixing foundation and it's still too dark for me a little. Alright, so then I'm going back in with the Beauty Blender. I just like to do this to give me the smoothest application for my foundation. Okay, so now that we're done with our foundation, we're gonna go in with our Tarte Shape Tape, I can't talk, sealer, and just get rid of all these under eye bags. We're gonna highlight a little. When I tell you I haven't worn makeup all week, like it's been almost 7 days, which is a really long time for me. Okay, so I like to put this under my eyes, on my chin, I'm always breaking out, my nose, and then my forehead, mainly to highlight, also to, you know, cover up all those imperfections that we have. When you're like highlighting and then you're doing like a darker contour, like the contrast of that really gives you that super like glowy, like Kim K type of look. So that's kind of the vibe we're going for today. I'm just blending this out. Yo, I've been stuck in the house in this self-quarantine and I didn't get any coffee, and I'm really dying without coffee. Day 5 with no coffee. We're not doing good out here. I need coffee. And I always drag some on my eyes just to help prime for eyeshadow. And when we do our eyeshadow, I like doing just something really light. I think that makes me look the most like bronzy, like flawless. Just like that, like just walked off the beach, even though you have a full face of makeup, but you like don't look like you're trying too hard. Also, for some reason, I've been really crazy and I'm like, I can't leave my house, when really like I need to like take a walk outside. Like, it's not like I need to go out where people are, I just need to get out of the house because I've just been locked up in here and I feel like I'm going insane. Okay, so once you're all nice and blended, we're gonna set this with some powder. You guys already know I love my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm not baking like crazy, but we're just gonna set everything. Also guys, I will have all the links to all the products I'm using down below. Okay, so once my face is all nice and set, I'm going to go in for some eyeshadow. For this, I'm taking the Anastasia The Soft Glam palette. This palette is literally perfect. Like, it's the definition of like that nice summer, spring, bronze, goddess, glowy, all that. is this palette. Like really anything you use is going to give you that kind of look. So I'm just going to show you a simple look. I do this kind of all the time. It's just kind of, so I'm starting with this Tempera color. It's just like this nice like light nude, and I like to use this to set my whole eye. You can also just use like translucent powder. So next I'm gonna go in with the Orange Soda color. It's just a nice light orangey color. It's a perfect transition shade. So I'm just putting this like in my outer corner and then also in the crease, because like I said, I want it to be really light but still some eyeshadow. So just a little bit. You can tell it's not like, you're not like, oh damn, she got orange on her face, but like you can see a little bit. And then I'm gonna go with the color right under it in this burnt orange. So this is it's super nice because it does have those, I can't talk. It has those warm undertones to it, but it's still a nice neutrally brown, I guess. It's not neutral. It's a nice medium brown, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I'm putting this in the same area. So, like this is going to be the darkest color we use. It's definitely there. We could see her, but she's not too much. Okay, then I love this palette because it has two really nice, what am I saying, gold colors without being too much. There's also this darker bronze if you're trying to do more of a, you know, nighttime look. I would do something darker, but I'm going to do glistening. It's this really pretty gold. It's not too yellowy. I don't really like yellowy golds. And I'm just putting this on the inner corner. Yeah, so super easy, nothing super crazy. My foot's falling asleep. Okay, so once we're done with that, I'm going in with my Benefit Roller Liner eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do just a basic eyeliner for lashes. You could do, you know, a more like this look is so easily, like you can do whatever you want with it. You can make it a nighttime look, you can make it a daytime look. We're wearing this as like a daytime look, so that's kind of what I'm going with. But you could definitely do darker eyeshadow, add the wing, go out, you know, maybe not right now because everything is closed, but yeah, so just like that, just super simple eyeliner, you know, nothing crazy. And the lashes I'm using today are called Drunk in Love by Icon. I'm going to have the link to them down below as well as a coupon code for you guys. You guys know I love their lashes. Like once you start wearing big lashes, it's like I can't go back. Girl, tell me I did not just get mascara. It's like the worst thing ever, getting mascara on your eyeshadow. Like I just want to put my lashes on off camera. You guys know I can't record it anyway, so there's no point of me trying to. So I will BRB with some lashes. Okay guys. Ooh, lashes are on. I haven't worn lashes. I haven't worn makeup in like 7 days. I'm feeling so wow. I am just going to be wiping away all this powder, all the bake that we did. After that, we're going to go in with our contour. So my all-time favorite is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I know this is a whole palette, but the Hoola bronzer. I also love in the summertime, I love the Hoola caramel. I'm too pale right now to do that, but that one is super beautiful for a look like this. It really gives you that like sunny glow, but I'm too pale for it right now, unfortunately. So yeah, so I'm taking, this is like a Benefit brush. It's like an angled brush, but I love using this for my contour. It's really like, that's what gives you your color to your face. It's like your contour, your blush. Also guys, I've been trying to add my contour like higher on my face. I like it a lot better. So I'm doing my cheekbones. I do my forehead a little bit. I don't do too much on my forehead. And then we try to get rid of this double chin, you know. Yeah, you can see it when I do it. I'm like adding it almost all the way up to like my eyebrow. So I want those real like raised, like we got fake cheeks type of cheekbones. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. This is something I still am trying to get better at. Like I feel like I either do it and it looks like nothing or it just looks like too much. Okay, so after that, I'm actually going to switch palettes. This is another Benefit palette, but they have a blush in Dallas. It's one of my all-time favorite blushes. So this works as like a blush slash bronzer. So a lot of people, if you're just looking for one step, this is the perfect thing for you. I loved when I worked for Benefit selling this to people because literally it's so pretty as a blush or a bronzer, but I love if I want like a super bronzy glowy look to use it as my blush and also use all my contour colors. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It's like super pretty. It's almost like a brown toned, but it just makes you look like so like sun-kissed and pretty, and it's still super natural. So I love using that. I just put a little bit on. I'm not doing too much. But yeah, you can see it doesn't have much color to it besides just like a pretty bronzy. After that, we're going to add our highlight. So any gold toned highlight is really going to give you that super glowy bronzy look. I personally, I can't not use this. But this is my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. So this one's super pretty. It's almost like a mix between like a gold and like a champagne. So there's not those pinky tones, but it's still very light. And like that boom in your face highlighter. Benefit also has one. It's in this palette. It's the Tickle. That's like a very gold one. Anastasia has other palettes that have really gold ones. Becca has some really gold ones. Anything really gold is going to give you that super bronzy look, but I like those like boom, beaming in your face type of highlighters. So I'm going to use this. It's still gold toned, but it's not like pure gold. If you highlight with a fan, please, like a fan brush, tell me how, because I have never had success doing that. I just throw a little bit on my forehead, not too much. And then I always go back in. I'm gonna sneeze. Am I? Oh my god, it's the corona. I always go back in with a more like tiny brush, just to like precisely highlight certain areas. So I like to do a little bit like right on the highest point of my cheekbone, like right under my eye. And then I'll always do some more on my Cupid's bow because I always feel like I never see it there. Yeah, so super highlighted, super glowy, super bronzy. And then I'm going to go back in with this palette and we're just going to smoke out the lower lash line. So I'm going in with this dark color, but it's just a dark neutral brown. And I put that on the outer corners. You can also use an eyeliner, but I think this looks a lot softer. This is like maybe the outer half of my eye. I never go all the way in. And then I'm going to take this real tiny brush and we're going to go back in with that burnt orange color. With that, I'm just going to smoke all this out underneath. So after that, we are going to be putting a little bit of mascara on just to blend the lashes again and for our bottom lashes. Okay, yeah, so after that, all we have left to do is our lips. So I'm going to be doing my favorite, well, one of my favorites, I have like 12 favorites, nude lipstick. I feel like nude would go best with this looks, but honestly, you could do anything. If you want that super like bronzy pretty look though, I would go with a nude. So one of my favorites is I like using the Buxom lip liner in Undercover. This is one of my favorite lipsticks, you guys know, is the Collab in Toss and Turn. And then one of my favorite lip glosses over top, which is the Benefit, the Sugar Cookie. So I love these all together. They're very like orangey nude, which is what works best on me. And with this look, so everybody likes different things, so you could do more of a pinky nude if that's what you like. I would just do your favorite nude combination. So I just use that to really like outline, and then I like to blend it together with the lipstick. And then because I'm hella extra, we're going over it with our gloss. And that's how you fake lip injections. Okay, yeah guys, so that is the entire video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. This is like, again, like I said, it's kind of my everyday makeup, but just a little bit extra bronzy glowy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys don't miss a video from me. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video, and peace out.